Hey, I'm here again. I need to have to talk much explanations about what I'm wearing now. This is not included among because I buy this in the okay. And this most is usual. This uniform you have seen now is self-created, which not belong to the armed forces. As you can see, there's indications that I wrote put on my account YouTube just rock using the lyrics on guitar. So this is not included in the armed forces. So this is for the photography. Whatever things happen very bad coming from this kind of uniform is myself is not liable. So if there's something happen with this kind of uniform, really happen bad because they are using this kind of uniform. They are not from me with their consent. So whatever happened there, outside and everywhere, especially around the world, so because internet is international viewing and showing, so whatever happened very bad using this uniform, for me, it's not from me. So the order is not from me. So whatever to happen in a very bad place, so it's up to you. You're going to file a case against them and they are committed crime. It's because it's not having a consent from me. So, on whatever to happen again, to have to provoke or asan ako war with these people. So, it's maybe they are only going to resist and react. Including myself, I am also going to react. It's because it's a kind of self-defense, so it's nothing at all. So there's no transaction in the government side, the military side of the government. So whatever happened there outside is not an order from me. So in any way, I am only all I can say is what you have seen with regards to this uniform. Again, I will show you again how this way this uniform being created. It's because it is there that I have been graduated medical course. So not that mean that I'm a graduate. So what you have seen on who am I and my situation and condition is what you have seen now after this uploaded this video. So sorry what happened to things happen in a very bad place because I don't know what they are doing. Just have from me to have say sorry. So just like these people here wearing their own uniform, if they committed crimes, just to say sorry. Just like that. If they committed crime in a far place, so I will just say sorry. I don't have any order from the government. They are liable, rather. The people out there with wearing their uniform, aside from this, or a different kind of uniform. So you look at me, I buy this, shirt, and I created this kind of uniform, and it is not recognized by the government. So I'm not also a rebel. So what happened to there is not from mine. To answer the obligation for me from me. So I don't have any obligation to this with regards to movement or endeavor from me or in any explanations furthermore, but I only, with regards to these uniforms I wear, so I only say I'm not included. So sorry what happened. So in the last words now, so again, so you can recognize this. It's a very conspicuous dark. You know what I mean? Also, this is really a conspicuous dark. Dahil it's because why? It's full of dark. So it's very conspicuous dark. So and the last thing I would like to remind, I'm not included. I'm not recognized in the chain and in the command of the armed forces. Whenever you are, or maybe somebody else is going to ask me, I'm talking less away, and maybe in abroad, or any part of America, or any part of Europe. So that is why then I will say just, I was saying that kind of video away from this place. I'm talking that, and I upload that in that place, maybe in Europe, or somewhere, Spain, or around the world, what I mean. So rather, I don't have any obligation from this when it comes to, when the government is none of payment to a person wearing a uniform. So I don't have any obligation. I'm not liable. Whatever happened there is just for myself. I don't know, and I'm sorry. So that is all. Good night. May 26, Sunday, in the year of our Lord, 2024. Good evening.